Guys, today I'm going to start a new exercise of sets, that is exercise 1.5, that is complement of set, where complement of set means the subtracted of universal set from set A, the remaining part of the set we call it as complement of set. So complement of set is denoted by A dash. So here A dash is equal to we will take example. So set U is equal to set of prime numbers. So what are the prime numbers here? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, so on. And set A is equal to x such that x belongs to U. So it belongs to the prime numbers, and x, another condition is given here, that is x is not a divisor of 42 here. So here which we have belongs to 2 means we should check out here which is not a divisor of 42. So here 2 is the divisor of 42 here, so it is divisible. So and 3 is also divisible by 42, and here 5 is not divisible divisor, so we'll write here 5. And 7, it is also, so 7 6 are 42, so it is also the divisor. And here 15, 13, it is also a divisor, and 15 it is not, so we'll write here 5, 11, and so on. So n numbers are there, so we'll write so on. So set A is equal to 5, 11, 15, and so on. So here A dash is equal to, here formula is given. So if we want the complement of set A means, so here formula is given. So A dash is equal to U minus A. So we have to subtract this term, this set, from set A. So here what is the set A here? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on, minus set A is 5, 11, 15, and so on. So here what are the common thing here? 5 and 11 is common thing here, so we will subtract this from here, from this set here. So remaining will be 2, 3, 7, 13, and so on. So here it is called A dash. So in Venn diagrams we will see here. So here it is a universal set. So universal set, what all the term is containing here? 2, 3, 5, 11, 15, 7, 13, and so on. So what are the set A contains here? 5, 11, 15, and so on. So we have to subtract this U from set A. So here set A is subtracted. So what is the remaining part here? It is A dash here. So here this part is A dash here. It is a complement of A here. So what are the terms here? It is 2, 3, 7, 13. So it is A dash. So here we have subtracted this circle. So set A we have subtracted. So remaining is A dash. So it is called complement of set. So some of the properties of the sets of complement is given here. So the first one is complement law. So A union of A dash is equal to universal set, and the second one is A intersection of A dash will be null set. So related example we will deal with it. So next formula is De Morgan's law. So here A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash, and second one is A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash universe B dash. So it is inverse of it. So here when we will use the term universe, so it will be intersection, and when we will use here intersection, it will be union. So the next one is law of double complementation. So A dash of double dash will be A here. Law of empty set and universal set is equal to null set whole dash is equal to universal set, and universal dash is equal to null set. So related examples of this we will deal with it. So we'll move to the exercise, that is exercise 1.1. So the first one is let U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and set C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. So they have asked to find out the first one, that is A dash. So what is A dash here? We know that A dash is equal to U minus A. So we'll write here U minus A. So what is U here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus A, what is A here? A here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to subtract this term from this set. So here set 1, 2, 3, 4 is subtracted from this set here. So it is subtracted. So what is the remaining members here, elements here? So here A dash is equal to 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So next one is B dash. So here same one. So here b dash is u, so b dash is equal to u minus b. So here b is b, set b is, we have to find out. So set u minus set b here. So set u, what we have, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus what is b here, 1 2, what is b here, 2 4 6 8. So here we have to subtract this 2 4 6 8 from this set here. So 2 4 6 8, here we have subtracted. So what is the remaining here, 1 3 5 7 and 9. So b dash is equal to 1 3 5 7 and 9. So we move to the third one, that is a union c whole dash is equal to, so here a union c whole dash they have asked. So a union c, so we know the formula of a dash is equal to u minus a. So same here, in place of a dash they have used the term a union c whole dash. So here similarly a union c whole dash is equal to u minus a union c, we have to write here. So here universal set is what we have, 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus here a union c. So union is given, so we have to merge the both the sets here. So here what is set a here, 1 2 3 4, and union term is used here. So set c is equal to 3 4 5 6 whole bracket. So first we should solve the common bracket here. So we'll keep this this set as it is, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus, so here we should merge this both the sets. So it will be 1 2 3 4. So 3 4 we have already written here. So 5 6. So here we have to subtract this set from this universal set. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 we have subtracted, the remaining will be 7 8 9. So a union c whole dash is equal to 7 8 9. So we will go to the next one, a union b whole dash is equal to, so here same, again the same. So here as I said, so when union of a union b whole dash is given, so we will write u minus a union b. So universal set will write as it is. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus, so a union b, so we have to merge it. So what is the set a here, 1 2 3 4, union, what the set b here, 2 4 6 8. So 2 4 6 8. So here we'll write this set as it is, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus, so we'll merge it. So it will be 1 2 3 4. So 2 and 4 is already present here. So we'll write 6 and 8 here. So we will minus this set from universal set. So 1 2 3 4 6 8. So it is subtracted here from this this set. So remaining will be 5 7 9. So a union b whole dash is equal to 5 7 9. So we'll move to the next one, that is a dash of whole dash. So as I said in the previous formulas, that a dash of whole dash will be a. So here I will solve it, so it will be helpful for you to understand. So here a dash of whole dash is equal to, so here we know that a dash is equal to u minus a. So here in the place of a dash, it is a dash of whole dash. So here we will use u minus a dash. So here I'll write here u minus a dash. So we know that a dash is equal to u minus a. So again we will solve for it. So here u minus a. So here first we'll solve the bracket here. So we'll write the data here. So what is u here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, minus common bracket, set u is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus set a is equal to 1 2 3 4. So we'll minus this term from universal set. So it will be 1 2 3 4 8 subtracted. So remaining will be 5 6 7 8. So we'll write here. So here universal set is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus, so remaining set is 5 6 7 8 9. So we will subtract this 5 6 7 8 9 from this set. So 5 6 7 8 9 is subtracted. So what is the remaining here? So 1 2 3 4. So a dash whole dash is equal to 1 2 3 4, which is nothing but a, set a. As I said in the previous one that a dash of whole dash is equal to a. So here I have proved it. So a dash of whole dash is equal to a. It is nothing but set a. So we move to the next one, that is b minus c whole dash. So what is b minus c whole dash here? U minus b minus c. So we should write it in the term like this. So it will be u minus b minus c. So universal set, what we have, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus common bracket. So first we should solve for common bracket. So set b is equal to 2 4 6 8 minus set c is equal to 3 4 5 6 common bracket. So we'll write this term as it is. So it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus, so we'll subtract this term from set b. So it will be 4 is common and 6 is common here. So what is the remaining here? So here it will be 2 and 8 here. And we will should next is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus 2 comma 8. So we should subtract this 2 comma 8 from this term. So what when 2 and 8 is subtracted, so remaining will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. So b minus c whole dash is equal to 1 3 4 5 6 7 9. So we'll go to the next one, that is if u is equal to a, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, find the complement of, first one is A is equal to A, B, C. So we have to find the complement of A. So what is the complement of A? A dash. So A dash is equal to U minus A. What we have U here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Minus, what if we have A here? A, B, C. So we have to minus this A, B, C from this term. So what is the remaining here? D, E, F, G, H. So A dash is equal to D, E, F, G, H. So next one is B, that is equal to D, E, F, G, H. So here we have to subtract, we find out the complement of B here. So complement of B here is B dash is equal to U minus B. So what is U here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus what is B here? D, E, F, G, H. So we have to subtract this D, E, F, G, H. So here D, E, F, G, H we have subtracted. So what is the remaining here? A, B, C. So B dash is equal to A, B, C. So next one is C is equal to set A, C, E, G, H. So what is the complement of C here? C dash. So C dash is equal to U minus C here. So what is U here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus what is C here? A, C, E, G, H. So we have to subtract this elements from this set. So A is subtracted, C is subtracted, and E and G, H. What is remaining here? B, D, F. So C dash is equal to B, D, F. So we'll move to the next one, that is D. D is equal to F, G, H, A. So what is the complement of D here? D dash. So D dash is equal to U minus D. What is U here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus what is D here? F, G, H, A. So we have to subtract this F, G, H, A from this set. So what will be remaining here? So F it is subtracted, G and H is subtracted, and A. What is remaining here? B, C, D, E. So C dash is equal to B, C, D, E. So we move to the next question. Taking the set of natural number as a universal set, write the complement of the following set. So here universal set is equal to set of X such that X is a natural number. So it belongs to the natural numbers. So here it is U is the universal set, is a set of natural numbers. So the first one we have to write the complement of the following set here. So first one is X such that it is an even natural number. So we will take this this statement as set A. Set A is equal to X is a even natural number. So here even natural number means 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, and natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So we should find out the complement of this set. So what is the complement of A is A dash. So A dash is equal to U minus A. What is U here? It is a natural number, X such that it is a natural number, minus what is A here? X such that it is an even natural number. When we will minus the even natural number from the natural numbers, we will get odd natural numbers. So remaining answer will be 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So what is 1, 3, 5, 7 and all? So it is a odd natural number. So a dash is equal to x such that it is an odd natural numbers. So next one is x such that it is an odd natural number. So here it is given even here, so they have given odd here. So it is a vice versa. So here we will take it as set b here. So what is the complement of b here? It is b dash. So b dash is equal to u minus b here. So u minus b, what is u here? X such that it is a natural number minus b, what is b here? X such that it is an odd natural number. So natural numbers transform 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So it is u minus what is odd number, set of odd numbers means 1, 3, 5 and so on. So when we will subtract this odd number from set of natural numbers, we will get an even numbers, that is 2, 4, 6 and so on. So we will get 2, 4, 6 and so on. So it is an even natural number. So b dash is equal to x such that it is an even natural numbers. So we will move to the next question, that is x such that it is a positive multiple of 3. So here we will take it as set c. So here complement of set c is c dash is equal to u minus c. So what is u here? X such that it is a natural number minus x such c. What is c here? X such that it is a positive multiple of 3. So here when we will subtract this positive multiples of 3 from set of natural number, we will get non-multiple of 3 here. So it is we will write it as c dash is equal to x such that it is a natural number and it is not a multiple of 3. So c dash is equal to x such that x is a natural number but not a multiple of 3. So we move to the next question, that is fourth one, x such that it is a prime number. So we'll call this set as D. So D, complement of D is D dash is equal to u minus D here. So what is u here? X such that u is x such that it is a natural number minus what is D here? X is a prime number. So here when we will subtract the prime numbers from the set of natural numbers, we will get composite number. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, it is a prime number. When we will subtract it from natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So remaining will be composite numbers, that is 4, 6, 8 and so on. It is a composite number. So d dash is equal to x such that it is a positive composite number. So we move to the next one, that is fifth one, x such that it is a natural number divisible of 5 and 3 and 5. So here we will call this set as E. So complement of E is E dash here. So E dash is equal to U minus E here. So here what is set U here? X such that it is a natural number minus what is E here. So E is here E is a natural number divisible of 3 and 5 here. So when we will subtract this divisible of 3 and 5 from natural numbers, we will get natural number which are not divisible of 3. So we will write here E dash is equal to x such that it is a natural number but not a divisible of 3 and 5. So we will write the vice versa of the statement of set E. So we will move to the next question, that is x such that it is a perfect square number. So we will call this set as f. So complement of f is f dash is equal to u minus f. So what is u here? X is a natural number minus what is f here? X such that it is a perfect square. So here when we will subtract this perfect square from natural numbers, we will get non-perfect square numbers. So here f dash is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number but not a perfect square here. So next one, it is similar one. So here x such that it is a perfect cube. So here they have given square, here they have given cube. So same step, same concept. So here we will take this set as G. So here G is equal to complement of G is G dash is equal to U minus G. So what is U here? X such that x belongs to a natural number minus, so G, what is G here? X such that it is a perfect cube. When we will minus this perfect cube from a natural number, we will get non-perfect cube natural number. So it is G dash is equal to x such that x belongs to n but not a perfect cube. We'll move to the next question, that is x such that x plus 5 is equal to 8. So here equation is given, we will call this set as x. So we will solve for the equation here. So here we will convert it into Rostand form. So x plus 5 is equal to 8. When we will take this solve for x, so we will take this 5 plus 5 to the right hand side. So it will be 8 minus 5. So x is equal to 3 here. So it means that x is equal to 3 here. So which is equal to set 3 is equal to h. So h is equal to 3 here. So what is the complement of h here? H dash is equal to u minus h here. So here what is u here? X such that x belongs to natural numbers minus what is h here? Plus 3. So set of 3 is equal to, when we will not include this set in natural numbers, then we will write the statement as x such that x belongs to natural numbers but x is not equal to 3. So h dash is equal to x such that x belongs to n but x is not equal to 3. So next one is 10th one, that is x such that 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. Again the same, we'll call this set as set I. So here we'll solve for this equation. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. So 2x as it is, so plus 5, take it in the right hand side, so it will be minus 5. So 2x is equal to 4. And we'll solve for x. So x is equal to 4 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So x is equal to 2 here. So here which is equal to I is equal to set 2. So here what is the complement of I here? I dash is equal to u minus I. So u is equal to x such that x belongs to n minus I is equal to 2 here. So 2. So I dash will be x such that x belongs to n but x is not equal to 2. So we'll subtract this term. So it will be x is not equal to 2. So next we'll move to the next one, that is x such that x is greater than or equal to 7. So here they have given greater than or equal to 7. So we can write it here. So greater than equal to 7. So 7 plus 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. So they have not given any margin. So on that we will write here. So we will call this term as this set as j here. So complement of j is j dash. So j dash is equal to u minus j. So u is equal to x such that x belongs to n minus 7 minus j. J is 7, 8, 9 so on. So when we will subtract this 7, 8, 9 from this natural numbers, we will get, so natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. So when we will subtract this 7, 8, 9, so what is the remaining here? It's 1 to 6. So j dash is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll move to the next one, that is x such that x belongs to n and 2x plus 1 is greater than 10. Greater than 10. So we will solve for this equation. So we will take this less than as equal to. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 10. So here when we will take this plus 1 to the right hand side, so it will be 2x is equal to 10 minus 1. So it will be 2x is equal to 9. So we will take this down. So 2x is equal to 9 by 2. So here it is equal to, so we will call this set as k. So k is equal to 9 by 2. So set k is equal to 9 by 2. So here what is the complement of k here? K dash. So k dash is equal to u minus k. So u is equal to x such that x belongs to n minus k is equal to 9 by 2. So we will write the reciprocal of this, inverse of this. So here x such that x belongs to n but x is not equal to 9 by 2. So k dash is equal to we got the answer this. So we'll move to the next question, that is if u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and b is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 and verify that a union b whole dash is equal to a dash intersection b dash. So as I said in the starting the De Morgan's law we are verifying here. So the examples is related to De Morgan's law. So we'll deal with here. So we'll take the LHS part, that is a union b whole dash. So we can write it a union b whole dash as a u minus a union b. So we'll solve for a union b first. So u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep as it is minus common bracket. What is a here? 2, 4, 6, 8 union. What is b here? 2, 3, 5, 7. So we solve for the common bracket first. So we'll keep as it is, keep this universal set as it is, minus, so union is given, so we have to merge it, so it will be 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we should minus this 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 from this term. So here when we will minus this term, the remaining will be 1 comma 9, which is equal to LHS. We'll call this equation as 1. Similarly, we'll deal with the RHS parts, that is A dash intersection B dash, which is equal to, so A dash is equal to, we know that U union minus A. So intersection, what is B dash here? Union minus universal set minus B here. So here, sorry, it is universal, universal minus A, intersection universal minus B. So universal, what is universal set here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus what is what is A set here? 2 4 6 8. Intersection, what is universal set here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus what is set B here? 2 3 5 7. So we minus this term from here, from the set of universal set. So it will be 1 3 5 7 9, intersection 1 4 6 8 9. So when we will take out the common thing here, 1 is common and 9 is common here. So here 1 and 9 is common, so we'll write here 1 comma 9 is equal to RHS. We call this equation as 2. While comparing equation 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. We have verified that. So similarly we'll move to the next question, that is A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. So first we'll take here LHS part. So A intersection B whole dash is equal to, so we'll write union minus A intersection B. So union, what is universal, what is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus A intersection B. So we have to take out the common thing here. What is A here? 2 4 6 8, intersection, what is B here? 2 3 5 7. So we should solve for the first common bracket. So intersection of A intersection B will be, what is the common thing in both the set here? 2 is common in the both set, so we'll write here 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus 2. So we have to subtract this 2 from this set. So remaining will be 1 3 5 6 7 8 9. So we'll call this this term as LHS, that is equal, this equation is 1. So we'll check out for the RHS part, that is A dash into union B dash. So A dash we know that U minus A, union B dash we know that U minus B. So universal set 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus set A is equal to 2 4 6 8, union universal set is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus set B is equal to 2 3 5 7. So when we subtract this 2 4 6 8, we'll get 1 3 5 7 9, union when we will subtract this set B from set U, the remaining will be 1 4 6 8 9. So here union is given, so we have to merge it. So we will get 1 3 4 5 6 7 9 8 9, so which is equal to RHS, and we'll call this equation as 2. By comparing equation 1 and equation 2, LHS is equal to RHS. So we'll move to the next question. So they have asked you draw the appropriate Venn diagrams. So first one is A union B whole dash. So A union B whole dash is equal to U minus A union B here. So A union B, we know that this is A union B is this part. So universal set is the outer part. So we have to subtract this this A union B from this universal set. So when we will subtract this pencil shaded part from universal set, the remaining will be this set. So what the remaining shaded by the pen is A union B whole dash. So here it is the shaded part of pen is A union B whole dash here. So similarly the next one, that is A dash intersection B dash. So A dash we know that U minus A. So U minus A, what we'll get here, when we will subtract this A set A the remaining part is this one. And similarly b dash is equal to u minus b. So when we'll subtract this b set, the remaining set will be this one. The shaded part is the b dash, and shaded part of this is a dash. So intersection is there. So what is common thing in both the set here? So here outside the universal set, shaded part is common here. So here intersection or a intersection b dash is equal to u minus a intersection b. So here intersection of a and b here is, so it will be a dash intersection b dash will be u minus a intersection b whole dash. So what is the common thing here? So here it is the outside the a intersection b. See here this part is left here, so here we will not shade this part, so the shaded part we will add here, so it will be a like this. So a dash intersection b dash will be in this form. So we'll move to the next one, that is a intersection b whole dash is we should find here. So we should find out the Venn diagram of this. So here a intersection b whole dash is equal to u minus a intersection b. So here a intersection b, we know that this is a intersection b. So here two circles are drawn, so intersection part is this one, so I'll draw here like this. So we have to minus this u, this from universal set. So what the remaining when we will minus this a intersection b is, so when we will minus this, the remaining part is this one. So here it is a intersection b whole dash. So here it is the non-shaded part, so it is a intersection b whole dash. So we'll move to the next one, that is a dash union b dash. So we should find a dash union b dash. So we know that a dash is equal to u minus a union b dash is equal to u minus b. So first we will take out a dash. So here a dash is equal to u minus a. So here we will minus this a universal a set from universal set. So here when we minus this universal a set, so the remaining part will be this. So it is the a dash part. So it is a dash, and we move to the next similarly b dash. So if b dash is equal to u minus b, so when we will subtract this b set b, the remaining part will be this. So it is b dash. So here union is given, so we will combine this both. So here while combining this both, we will get the answer like this. So we will not shade this both the circle. So remaining part is a dash a dash union b dash. So we'll move to the next question, that is let u be the set of all triangles in a plane. If A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree, and what is A dash? So here universal set. So here u is given. So what is u? The set of all triangles. So here we'll write u x such that x belongs to triangle. So all set it belongs. So I will write here x belongs to triangle. And another data is given, if A is the set of all triangles and at least one angle different from 60 degree. So we know that equilateral triangle where all sides are equal and have 60 degree. So their angles are 60 degree. So here in the set A is equal to x such that it belongs to the triangle but not to the equilateral triangle. So it is given here. So 60 degree means it is equilateral triangle. So it does not belong to equilateral triangle. So we have to find out the A dash here. So what is A dash here? Is equal to u minus a. So we have to subtract this u minus a. So what is u here? X such that x belongs to triangle minus what is a here? X such that x belongs to triangle but not x is not equal to equilateral triangle. So we will write this inverse. So when we will write this inverse, we will get x such A dash is equal to x such that x belongs to equilateral triangle. So A dash is equal to x such that x belongs to equilateral triangle. So we'll move to the last question, that is fill in the blanks. So here it is given here I had filled already, so the solution I will say you here. So A union A dash is equal to universal set. So here what is A here? This part, and is what is A dash here? So it is this part. So when we'll combine this both, so when union is given, so we'll combine this, so both what we'll get here? Universal set. So I wrote here universal set. So next one is null set intersection A here. So here only one set is given, so no intersection is no null set is there. So when we'll not there any null set, then there will be no common thing in that. So here intersection A is intersection of A will be A only. So here I wrote A here, and next is A intersection A dash. So here A and here it is A and A dash is here. So what is common thing in both? Nothing. It is null set. No common thing in both the set is given, so it is null set. Next last is U dash intersection A is equal to null set. So U dash here is, it is U, then the outside part is called U dash here. So it is U dash. The outside the box is U dash. So intersection A. So here no common mate is there in between A and U dash. So it is null set. So here I have completed the exercise 1.5. I hope you have understand and liked it. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to Megato. Thank you.